the short one on Nashua IM C2500. So then I'm gonna show you how to add your add an email address on scan to email. So just when you're here, you just scroll here, then you say add, then when you reach here, you say register. When you click on register, then that's when you're going to come here and put in someone's name, whatever you want. After that, then you can click on destination. After destination, you can click on email. So this is when you're going to put in the email you're looking for, but this thing is case sensitive. It should be at least small letters. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here, then I'll look for this and say okay. Okay, once you're done with that, you just say okay. You can see okay, good. So now these are all names of people who are here. This is what I've added here right now. So I'm gonna go and say exit. After exiting, so I'm gonna try to say let me see, what can I say now? Go home, then you can say scan. If you want to scan, you select the name you did put. This is the last name I did put in. You put here on the feeder, or you put on the glass, whatever you choose. Then it's just say start. So the machine is gonna start doing whatever. Then it will just quickly say done. You get me? It says cannot detect signal size. Why? Because there is no paper. I would like to borrow. I want to borrow something. Okay. I'm gonna scan. Okay, I borrowed a page, putting it here. Then I'm gonna say scan again. It says scanning was finished, right? You can see that's fine, but that last time it was not detecting the size because there was no paper. Well, thanks guys, this is it. I don't think I should proceed. That's the way you add the email address on scan to email. Okay, thanks.